चलने को तैयार है।
Hey guys, welcome to Lonavala. So, Lonavala and Khandala are the twin hill stations adjacent to each other, 2041 feet above the sea level. Lonavala is one of the most popular hill station in India, located 64 km from Pune and around 96 km from Mumbai. The name Lonavala is derived from Leni means caves and Avli means series. So the meaning of Lonavala is the series of caves. Tiger's Point or Tiger's Leap Point is one of the most prominent viewpoint in Lonavala, which offers splendid view of valleys. If you look closely to Tiger's Point or Tiger's Leap Point, you will get an impression that tiger is trying to leap on the valley. So guys, after Tiger's Point or Tiger's Leap Point, we are going to visit another viewpoint. It is Shivling Point. It is just next to Tiger's Leap Point. You need to go ahead of Tiger's Leap Point for around 1.5 kilometer, then you will reach Shivling Point. So guys, you could see this Shivling Point. It resembles Shivlinga, that's why it got its name. So guys, the best season to visit Lonavala is monsoon season or rainy season. You could visit this hill station in winter season as well. However, you won't be able to see those majestic waterfalls. So guys, after Shivling Point, we are at Lions Point. Again, it is one of the most popular viewpoint in Lonavala. So you would be able to see dozens of small waterfalls and lush green area if you visit Lonavala in monsoon or rainy season. So guys, wind is extremely strong at this place, and I don't know whether I'm audible or not. I'm trying to speak as loudly as I can. Guys, after visiting Lions Point, we are going to visit Narani Dham temple. So guys, again I want to tell you one important thing. If you want to visit tourist attractions in Lonavala, then you won't be getting these rental bikes and rental cars in Lonavala. So I took this auto for rupees 1500 rupees. So you could hire auto rickshaw or any cab and you could visit all tourist attractions in Lonavala. So guys, right now we are at Bhushi Dam. So this dam is built on the mouth of Indrani river. You are not permitted to get down into this lake and or dam. Bhushi Dam must be visited during monsoon when water overflows over these steps and creates sort of waterfalls. Now we are at Narani Dham temple, Lonavala. Narani Dham temple. You should visit this temple if you are visiting Lonavala. It is around 6 to 7 kilometers from Lonavala. So guys, this Narani Dham temple is dedicated to goddess Narayani, Lord Hanumana and Lord Ganesha. Visiting hours to visit Narani Dham temple are from morning 7 am to 9 pm. So guys, now we are going to visit Karla Caves and Ekvira Devi temple. So finally I reached Karla Caves after climbing for 350 stairs. So it took me 25 minutes to climb these 350 stairs. So depending on your fitness, it will take time to climb these stairs. So entry ticket for Indian visitors, we have to pay 25 rupees, and if you are going to do video shooting, then you have to pay 25 rupees extra. Again, for foreign visitors, entry ticket is 300 rupees.
Karla Caves are one of the ancient caves in Lonavala dedicated to Lord Buddha. Karla Caves were developed between 2nd century BC to 2nd century AD and known for their amazing architecture. The main cave consists of a Chaitya Griha or Chaitya Hall that has 37 octagonal pillars beautifully decorated with sculptures of men, women and animals. All around the cave complex there are many chaityas and viharas where the monks used to stay and meditate. Ekvira Devi temple is another most visited tourist attraction in Lonavala. So this temple is situated in the vicinity of Karla Caves, which is quite popular among Koli people and fishermen tribes of India.
We are at Rajmachi Point. Rajmachi Point lies 6 kilometers from Lonavala railway station and 2.4 kilometers from Khandala railway station. You could get spectacular view of Pune-Mumbai Expressway along with Rajmachi Fort. Khandala Lake is a small lake, but it's a kind of beautiful lake, so you could do boating over here. Pedal boating and rowing boating, both options are available in boating. This lake is surrounded by lofty mountains. So guys, there are lots of wax museums in Lonavala. Out of these, among these, Sunil Wax Museum is the most visited wax museum. So I'm going to visit this wax museum. So guys, we are inside the Sunil Celebrity Wax Museum, and everything available inside this museum is made of wax, and so many things, they look so alike that it is quite difficult to guess us that these are statues made of wax. Oh. Right. It is the statue of Bhagat Singh, and he looks so alive. Here is Bhaji holding ball in hand. Yeah, man, so many times I'm getting and feeling like, yeah, I'm just standing in front of these old celebrities. Not for a moment I'm getting. Here is Kapil Paji. Oh, James Bond. 007 James Bond. Oh, man. He's not holding his gun properly, and this Mr. James Bond got one eye blue and other eye green. So what a combination. Here's Michael Jackson of India, Prabhudeva. I don't know who is this person. M.G. Ramachandran. Here is A.R. Rahman holding Oscars in hand. He might be feeling proud at this time, and I'm also feeling proud that I'm standing next to this person. Here is the king of pop, Mr. Michael Jackson. Here is the Big B. In real life, he is one of the tallest actor in Bollywood industry. Here also he is the tallest. Kareena Kapoor, Salman Khan. Though I'm not a big fan of Salman Khan, it's a great pleasure to meet him. I don't know these guys. And oh, here we come in the house of spiritual leaders. Here is Baba Ramdev blinking his one eye. Here is Mother Teresa, Sai Baba sleeping on his couch. I don't know this person. Sadhguru Sri Vaman Rao Pai, Dalai Lama, Vivekananda. So guys, last year I visited Belur Math of Swami Vivekananda, and this year I'm standing beside Mr. Swami Vivekananda. Sri Ravi Shankar. He's Sri Sri Ravi Shankar and I'm Ravi. Here I'm standing next to beautiful Lady Elizabeth II. Abraham Lincoln. Mr. Albert Einstein. Though I don't like his equations and lots of formulas, it's a great pleasure to be standing next to him. Oh, here is Hitler, Adolf Hitler. In the statue also he's looking so serious. He might be thinking of World War III. And here is Mr. Bruce Lee and Jet Li. Bruce Lee is one of my favorite martial artists of all time. So it's time to say goodbye to all these beautiful people out here. So guys, I have visited so many wax museums, but believe me guys, it is one of the best wax museum I ever visited. So do visit this wax museum if you are visiting Lonavala. Goodbye Mr. James Bond 007. So guys, one thing is common in Lonavala. You will find Lonavala chicky everywhere. कौन सा चिक्की आपके पास? ड्राई फ्रूट वाला है, रेगुलर वाला सिंपल, मुझे ग्राउंडनट वाला सिंपल.